Hey guys, it's Kiara here. I get a ton of questions about where I lived while I was in college. I'm here to tell you guys about my building. I'm finally disclosing it. I don't live here anymore. That's why we're filming it. I get so many questions and this is the best place, I'm biased, to live. The campus lofts, we're 2 blocks away from campus. I can literally walk to the rec center in 5 minutes, which is really nice. I'm gonna give you a full tour of one of the best things that we use all the time is we have a fob to enter the building, and then we also have a call box. So when our friends come, they can just ring up, or we can actually ring ourselves into the building because it'll just call my cell phone, which is really convenient, especially if you ever forget your keys. I'm also gonna be wearing my mask in all the common areas because coronavirus, so let's go. Now we are in the main lobby of Campus Lofts. This is where we have our mail room. So this is my beautiful little mailbox right here that I would check literally 4 times a day because I was obsessed with getting the mail. It's a really nice, secure system that we have going on. And then we also have a bicycle storage room, which is really helpful. And we have the elevator. This is our parking area. It's a full covered area and it's a locked garage, which I thought was really nice. Yeah, the parking spots can be skinny, but you get really, really good at backing up in your spot. So I just back up into mine. Yeah, there's not much else to say.
Trash room.
Yeah, we have a trash room over there, which is locked as well. And then we also have another entry, stairs up to our building, so you can kind of like exit the building multiple ways, which is nice, depending on where your classes are located at. So this exits to 14th Alley, which was really convenient for me because I could get to my sorority house in literally a minute and 30 seconds if I needed to, which I did a couple times. Campus Lofts also has a lot of palm trees. It makes you feel like you're in a very tropical place. Always fun. This is one of my favorite parts, the elevator, because you can always look out to the view. Here we go, up to my floor.
This elevator also has the best selfie lighting ever.
It does, and it's fun to like look at people and wave, hi. But then people stare at you, so it's kind of funny. Our beautiful floor. Every single floor has a little common area, which is really nice if you ever just want to get a change of scenery and study there. And all of the floors have something different. So ours has this little seating area. There's a different one that has like a desk and everything, very nice. This place has 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 3 bedroom apartments. All of my friends conveniently lived on my hall, so it was very easy to hang out, and it honestly worked out great for all of us. We have arrived at my apartment.
Do we disclose the number?
Yeah, this is like our beautiful
315.
favorite apartment ever.
Excuse me, 314 right over there. She's pretty good too.
That was Katie's apartment. She's filming this. Yeah, this place we've lived here for 2 years. I'm really sad to be leaving it. It honestly makes me cry, so I'm not going to talk about it too much. Here we go. It's also in moving stage because my roommate Taylor, she already moved out. So it's a little bit different, and I'm definitely I'll link the full tour of how it was originally so you guys can check it out, because half of the stuff is gone. Our doors close very nicely. We love that. My favorite part about these apartments is that it feels like home. It doesn't feel like kind of like that generic college apartment that's very loud and cheesy. I guess I don't really have to. I live here, so it's okay. Yeah, I love this apartment building because it really does feel like home, and that was the #1 thing where I was like, I love the space. We have this little entryway. Our apartment's called the Juicery because we have a juicer that we use all the time. We make a lot of juice in here. It sounds so bad, like we're making like, you know, some cocktail beverage. We're really not. We're literally
making celery juice.
I got this table from IKEA. We spent so many hours studying at this table, doing all sorts of crafts. My friends down the hall used it to make spaghetti one night. It was a great table.
She was a good table.
It's so funny because when you first tour this place empty, you think that you can't fit a lot of stuff in here, and then you're like, oh wow, you actually can. So we fit a good amount of furniture. We had this, which was a pull-out couch, which was really nice if people ever wanted to spend the night. Mirror, lovely memories with my friends. This nice bookshelf that my dad made for me. This is my favorite part of the apartment. All of the memories that we've had in college and in this apartment are on this wall. We've got first day of school, move-in day, all the way down to, what was our last photo?
I think it's my
finals. Finals online because of coronavirus. That was our last memory. I'll show you kind of what an empty room looks like. This is my roommate Taylor's room. She's already moved out. We actually sold some of the furniture to the nice girls who are living here after us, so we're leaving some things here. But you can see it's a pretty nice sized room, super bright. Also, our apartment was right by this tree, so we could always look outside and get a nice view. And in the fall time, the leaves on that tree are stunning. All right, let me show you the rest of the apartment. This is literally the best part of the apartment. Every single apartment that I've looked at, they do not have a kitchen like this. We have a lot of stuff because we like to cook as a group in here, and there's tons of storage. We have all of these cabinets and drawers. It's so wide. At one point we've had, what, 6 or 8 people cooking here.
Oh, for sure. Yeah.
It's crazy.
So many dinner parties.
Tons of countertop space. We used to do breakfast every single Thursday in here, like pancakes or French toast. So we've cooked a lot of things, and we love how wide this kitchen is. This is the other thing that's so awesome is every single apartment here has a balcony. It might be kind of loud out here, but let me take you onto the balcony. So this is our balcony. It looks out onto Hilliard Street. It's super nice to study out here and get a break. I've dropped my flip-flop off of this balcony. I did recover it. It's also kind of loud because we have AC in here, so that's something I definitely recommend if you guys are ever planning to stay over the summer because it does get really hot. Our apartment has really good lighting, but it also gets the sun coming into it a lot. So I got this air conditioning unit that fits really nicely into the window. It's just by Kenmore Elite. I'll show you a couple of other things in the apartment that I love. We have a full-size pantry, which is absolutely crazy. It doesn't look super great now, but I have a whole video of me organizing this. I will link it. It was a wonderful time and stored tons of our food. So this was our go-to stop. Got some more memories here on the wall. I won this dollar because I guessed a word correctly, so now it hangs there.
Oh, these pictures.
We also have our own laundry room. I use this room to store all of my ski stuff because I ski raced on the weekends in the winter here. We have a full-size washer dryer, which was really helpful, and this allowed us to kind of store all of our different utility cleaning supplies, printer, all of that fun stuff. And when we were doing our laundry, we could just close the door and it's super quiet in here. Here is our bathroom. I forgot to show you that Taylor's room actually has a sink in it. This is where I would store most of my stuff, but we would obviously both use this bathroom. There's Katie cooking. She hangs out in this apartment a lot. She pretty much lives here.
I have the identical apartment next door.
Right, she's the same one. This is our bathroom, really great space, shower, toilet.
Neat.
The usual. Oh, and we didn't really use this much, but it has a fan that blows hot air as well as a normal fan. So if you're ever really cold in the winter, I think you did it one time. Didn't you turn it on and sit in here?
Yeah, yeah, when I was really sick.
Yeah, so that's a great feature. Very nice. And then we have my room. It's the only room in the apartment that looks normal right now because we've not really started to pack it up. This room is huge, and they definitely prioritize bedroom sizes in this building, which is really nice because most college apartments, you have like your bed, your bedside table, a tiny desk, and that's it, and like a little space this big to walk through. Yeah, this is super nice. Here's a closet. It's kind of messy right now, but it'll just give you like a general view. I can fit a lot of stuff in here. I've got my bed, my wall, lots of studying, lots of productivity happened in this room. It feels like such a safe space here, so I really enjoyed living here. And as you can tell, it's probably backlit right now, but
a little bit.
It's really bright in here, which is nice. Oh, we also have storage above the closet. Pretty much every closet, I think, has that. So we used to store our suitcases up there. My room also has this built-in shelf thing, which is kind of fun. I kept like a lot of memories here, and I used to keep all my books at the bottom, but now that school's over, I took them home. What do you have to say about our apartment? What was your favorite part about living here?
The apartment, I mean, the fact that my best friend lived next door, maybe. The apartment building in general just felt really safe, which I really appreciated because it was like, you never felt uncomfortable being here. I mean, there's really good people. It was so great to work with Michelle, and Michelle's great. Literally just the best experience I've ever had in my life. I will say that this apartment building is really competitive to get into. So if you are interested in living here, definitely communicate with Michelle and get on the wait list early and show your interest because it was such a gift for us to live here. I did not have to change my walking time at all. So close to 13th, really close to literally everything.
Dairy Queen. We went there literally all the time.
Doco.
Just like a great side of campus to be on. Very centrally located to just run home after class if you only had a short window. So yeah, I'm gonna miss this place so much.